Doc Avila, magandang hapon ulit. Unahin na po namin tanong dahil nabalitaan namin ang tungkol sa inyong rebranding.
Yes, our hospital used to be Allegiant Regional Hospital or ARC Hospital for short, and now we are called Mactan Optimal Medical Center, or our brand name is Mactan Med. We are currently under new administration. It is under Mount Grace Hospital, which is our mother company, is of course Unilab. And then with the new administration, new management, and then new name. So we opted to reintroduce ourselves to the public, to the community as that one, the Mactan Med. So that is primarily our inspiration.
So lalabas sa tayo
Okay,
new
wow.
administrator, new management, new
Yes.
owner, if I'm not mistaken, new owner, and then you're referring to the Unilab. Ayan. Okay, Attorney Dot. Let's continue.
Okay.
Dr. Abila, andito na si Attorney Dot. Alam ko, marami siyang nakahandang
Yes.
tanong. Go ahead, please. Thank you po.
Yes. Okay. So, Doc Avila, para po sa kaalaman po ng lahat ng nanonood po sa atin ngayon, ano po ba ang mga bagong developments po or improvements na maaari pong asahan ng mga pasyente sa ilalim po ng Mactan Med? At teka muna nga po pala, bakit nga po pala Mactan Med? Go ahead po.
Mactan Med po, kasi we are located in the island of Mactan. So if you're familiar with it, it's in Lapu-Lapu City.
Ayun. Yes.
And we're moving
I thought so.
po
I thought
on
so.
Yes po. We're here in Lapu-Lapu, Cebu
Okay.
City, and it's our name of the is also known as Mactan. So it's called Mactan Med. Yun po.
Ayun. Tapos ano po mga developments? Ano pong improvements?
Um,
Sige po,
With the
interesado po
new
kami.
po kasi, yes, with our new actually new management, we wanted really to reach out to the community. So we made a lot of programs. We made that can be used to the community, such as pediatric care, surgical care program, maternity care program. We also have endoscopy program, cardio care program. And also we offered already new services like onco unit, rehab unit. We have also acute stroke unit, which is the only actually acute stroke unit in Cebu. And we also have molecular pathology, aside from other services like cardio, like pulmo, and then our ICU, and then other like ER also. So that one also.
Ayun.
Ayan.
Ayun, Miss Annie, sa narinig natin, alam na natin na mas maganda na ngayon ang hospital at mas marami na silang mga services. And of course, Miss Annie, Unilab. Kung
That's
Unilab
correct.
yan, alam na nating magaling at
Yes.
mahusay.
Unilab
Miss Annie?
Management! Pinopromote namin kayo talaga naman, di ba? Good afternoon po. Okay. Attorney Dot, yung binabanggit ninyo a while ago doon sa discussion ni Dr. Avila, yung mga services na na-improve, alam mo, yung mag-maintain ng isang hospital is not that easy. Ano po? And it's not that easy. Napakalaking pera ang ginugugol dito. Now, sa inyong pananaw, Doc Avila, gaano kahalaga yung mga modern facilities, yung mga bagong technology at specialized services sa pagbibigay ng mas maayos na healthcare?
It's very important po kasi with the modern facilities, yung mga new specialized services, like if you say like kailangan like operahan, and then before when you used to do surgery for cholecystectomy, kailangan panghiwain yung, di ba, yung ang tiyan talaga, and then the patient has to stay for like around 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks, just to heal. But with the modern facility, with modern specialization, you can just have it like with the parang ano lang, tube lang pinapasok sa katawan, tapos overnight, the following day, you can go home na. So, better talaga yung services, better yung healing, better at saka yung wellness ng patient.
Yan. So, ibig sabihin, Attorney
Okay.
Dot,
Alam mo, Miss Annie?
non-invasive already,
Yes.
hindi na open. Ibig sabihin, pag
Yes.
magpapagaling ka, lang sugat, madaling gumaling. That's isa yan sa mga advantage ng mga high-tech na mga technology this time. Ano po, state of the art. Yes, Attorney Dot, ano yung sinasabi niyo a while ago? Naputol
Yes.
ko, pasensya na po.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, actually, I was just going to say na for patients, no, or families of people who have to go to the hospital, you would always think of yung credibility ng hospital. kapag meron ng
correct.
reputation na ang hospital ay may
That's
modern
correct.
facilities, magagaling ang doktor, reasonable naman mag-charge, talagang dyan dadalhin ang pasyente. Dyan din ako
Exactly.
pupunta kung alam ko na meron na silang record na maganda, malinis, at nagpapagaling talaga ng tao. Well, napakalaking bagay niyan. So,
That's
as
correct.
explained earlier by Doktora, di ba, modern facilities, Diyos ko naman, baka naman pagka ikaw meron kang emergency, pupunta ka dun sa hindi modern ang facilities, baka lalo ka pang magkasakit o lalo kang mamatay, hindi ba? So anyway, I'm just being practical, hindi ba? Totoo yun.
That's
Okay,
correct.
now,
That's correct.
ang next question, opo, thank you. Ang next question ko kay Doktora is this. Paano po ninyo sinisiguro na yung service po ninyo ay hindi lamang advanced, no? Kundi patient-centered din? Ayun, napakagandang tanong nito. Sige po,
Yes.
Doktora.
Yes, that's a very nice question, attorney. No? Actually, the goal actually of the new hospital is yung ano talaga, yung tagline namin is health handled with the heart. So it is not just the illness, it's not just the sickness that we're just gonna be healing. No, we look into the person, not just the disease, what he has, but more of the making it that person is a human being, may family siya, may anak siya, may mga brothers, mga sisters. So that's more of the totality talaga. It should be patient-centered. So not just for the illness, but more treatment focusing more also in compassion. So kaya talaga yung ano namin is, our tagline is health handled with heart. Yun.
Health
Ayun,
handled with heart.
napakaganda, Miss Annie.
Opo.
Oo, alam mo, Miss Annie, eto kasi, di ba, oo, yung mami ko, share ko lang, yung mami ko, maya nasa hospital na because she's
Balik-balik yan.
103
Ano
years
po?
old.
Mm.
Oo, alam mo, Miss Annie, tama yung sinabi ni Doktora, napakalaking bagay na yung nag-handle ng mga staff, not only the doctor, but the nurses, yung mga nagpapaligo sa kanya, yung alam namin, nararamdaman namin na they really care. So
Care.
yung
That's
yung
correct.
handling the services, handling the patient with a heart, that is very important. And Miss Annie,
Yes.
talagang magpapasalamat ka and mamimiss mo rin sila kapag araw-araw mo silang nakikita. And of course, Miss Annie, minsan reregaluhan mo pa kasi napakahusay
Exactly.
mag-alaga. Oo.
Yan.
Sige,
Magregalo
ikaw
ka.
naman, Miss Annie.
Magbibigay ka ng
Oo.
gift, magbibigay ka din ng cash kung kinakailangan, magpapamerienda ka, dahil natuwa ka dun sa service, di ba po?
Oo.
Ayan, nakakatawa naman to.
Yes.
Health handle with heart. Ganda.
Yes.
Eto,
Oo.
ang tanong ko naman, Attorney Dot, maapektuhan ba ng rebranding na ito ang kasalukuyan ng mga pasyente at doktor, at kasama na doon yung mga partners ng hospital po, Dr. Avila?
There's no changes at all. We still cater all our patients, and even the doctors before are still with us, and we even added more. And our partners are getting more also. So there's really no changes for now, even with the rebranding.
Ayan, napakaganda nun, Attorney Dot. Kasi sometimes that's the fear. Yung mga dadatnan mo kapag ka may changes, di ba po? Baka maapektuhan yung mga ano. But this time, binibigyan niyo po ng assurance, Dr. Avila, na walang changes, walang dapat katakutan. Ayan, ano, may fear kasi yan doon sa mga empleyado pagka may bagong management. Pero dito, ayan, sinasabi ng doktora, masaya yung magiging ano niyan, magiging epekto niyan doon sa mga doktor at ganoon din yung mga medical staff natin, Attorney Dot.
Yes, Miss Annie. Miss Annie, itong susunod na tanong ko, pumasok lang ito. Siguro meron itong alam tungkol sa diyan sa Mactan Med. Ang tanong po niya, Doc Avila, yung po bang Mactan Med ay bahagi ng Mount Grace Hospitals Incorporated? At paano po ito nakakatulong sa pagpapalakas ng serbisyo ng Mactan Med?
Sige, tingnan natin anong sagot ni Dr. Avila. Pakinggan natin.
you for your question. Yes, we were recently acquired by Mount Grace Hospitals, which is a network of hospital po. Currently they have 27 po na hospitals. We were the 24th one last November 11, 2024. So the 24th hospital of 2024. And of course, under the new healthcare, Mount Grace, it helped us a lot because parang na-hasten, everything was better na yung ano namin management kasi we were guided by, of course, Nationwide Healthcare. Makakatanong kami like, oh, we need this one, kailangan namin ng ganito, how do we handle it? And then sometimes kailangan namin ng training. Does your other hospital have this one? Can you share to us? And it's more of the sharing of best practices and their processes. So it really helped us a lot now that we are under Mount Grace Hospital po.
Naman pala ang kwento.
Maganda nga naman.
Opo,
Kumbaga
27.
Miss Annie, sa korporasyon, part sila ng isang conglomerate.
That's
Tapos
correct.
yung mga
That's
iba
big.
nilang mga kasama, nag-share ng kanilang knowledge, experiences, at saka siguro may mga training din na nanggagaling din doon sa iba na nauna sa kanila before. So,
That's
well,
very good. That's very
congratulations
good.
po sa Mount Grace Hospitals Incorporated. Congrats.
Okay. Napakaganda
Miss
niyan.
Annie?
Hello. Thank you for that, Attorney Dot. Alam mo kung bakit. Singit ko lang ito sa ating EP kay Miss Ana. Because doon lang sa usapin ng doktor, ng mga neurologist, Attorney Dot. Diba? 700 lang sa buong Pilipinas. We had an interview with the Vice President ng Neurological Association. So sabi niya, 700 plus lang kami. Sa madaling salita, yung pangangailangan ng buong Pilipinas sa 700. Ito naman ginagawa, talagang ano yon kung titingnan mo. Pero may mga pamamaraan like itong binabanggit ni Dr. Abila. Kaya we're happy to learn that na marami kayong mga pamamaraan para at least makatulong, magamot yung ating mga kababayan dyan. Now, puntahan ko ulit, Attorney Dot. Ano yung masasabi ni Doc Abila ng pagkakaiba ng Mactan Med kumpara naman sa ibang hospital diyan sa inyong lugar po?
Here in our place, most hospitals naman, we share the same naman purpose, no, which is healthcare. But in our hospital, it's more different because this is more of community centered. So we take care yung kailangan talaga ng community. So we think of making packages for them like maternity care, pediatric care, endoscopy programs, even surgery programs for them, so that the prices is really not that expensive, but very, very reasonable. But quality, of course, coming from, of course, the Unilab, we give quality service. And then on top of that, we are the only hospital here in our community that has the cancer center, and we also are the only one in the whole of Cebu that is acute stroke unit accredited. And that's why we are more confident with our staff and our nurses that they are capable of taking care of our patients. We also have other services in the pipeline like wound care, mental health, and for now we also have molecular pathology. So those are the services that which we think are makes us quite different from the other facilities here.
Attorney
Ayun.
Dot,
Miss Annie,
Attorney,
oo.
bago ko ibalik sa inyo,
Yes.
quickly lang ma'am, ano yung molecular? You have, bago ito, molecular pathology. Ano yung mga services na kinikater nitong molecular pathology na ito po?
Molecular pathology is more on the genetic level. Like it simplifies diagnosis of certain diseases like pneumonia. Sometimes kasi you send on yung sepsis, sample sepsis, no? You diagnose sepsis, sometimes it takes around 5 to 7 days to get the organism, to recognize the organism and know how to treat it. But with the molecular pathology, you can just get the organism, you can get the results in just around 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Wow,
So those
ganda.
Yes. Yes. And then sometimes yung mga pneumonia
Galing.
cases, like it takes around 2 to 3 days pa. In just 1 hour, you can get the result na. So that's how fast it is.
Very good. Attorney Dot, maganda itong
Ayan.
molecular pathology. 45 minutes lang.
Oh.
So, yan ang resulta na high-tech sila. Thank you so much. Ayan. Attorney Dot, balik sa inyo si attorney.
Oo.
Si Doc Avila. Thank you
Oo.
po.
Okay. Ako Miss Annie, na-excite ako dito sa Mactan Med. You know why? Kasi it seems to be a very good hospital and it is located in Cebu. Alam mo, ang dami nating magagaling na mga doctors dyan. Siyempre, naghahanap din sila kung saan sila mag-work, di ba? Yung mga iba, ay, ang layo naman ng PGH, ang layo ng St. Luke's dito sa sa atin. Pero ngayon, with Mactan Med, pwede na sila dyan magtrabaho. And, Miss Annie, yung mga nagkakasakit na nasa South, hindi na nila kailangan lumipad pa papunta
That's correct.
dito sa Maynila dahil meron ng maganda na hospital dyan sa Cebu. Kaya congratulations again. I'm so excited about this.